Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Takara Tomy, the Initial D AE86. I have the two versions here. One is the souped up version and one was the original before he crashes, and then before the souped up. So let's open them up and do a little comparison. Let's do the original first. I do like this Initial D version because this comes with a outside plastic protector box. The other one that I got earlier with the Batmobile, it didn't come like this. So let's open this up. This is, I think, the authenticity of this from Takara, that this is the authenticate that this is their product. This is Initial D in Japanese and AE86. So let's open it up and see what we got on the inside. Okay, so there's no any other thing inside the box. Wow, I like this already as soon as it comes out of the box. This is the panda color. Let's check the wheel. The wheels are hard plastic. And let me see, wow, look like the door, wow. This one, the door actually could be open. Let's just take a look over here, the detail. This is the Tofu Shop logo as you see on the movie or the cartoon. Okay, both doors do open, the passenger side and the driver's side. Is something that's missing out here is the plate and the Trueno that was supposed to be inputted over here that was missing. Other than that, can't complain. I like this car. Missing the plate in the front, license plate. So this is this guy. Let me put him down. And let's open up this is the souped up version. And let's just see the boxes here. Also I have the laser authenticity sticker over there. Okay, let's open this up. I like how they have this hard plastic that protected the box from a delivery or anything like that, in case if your handle will crush this box here. So let's open up this layer here. Okay, this is the racing version. Okay, let's get them boxes out of the way. And let's take a look. Also have the Tofu car logo here. This is the one with the carbon fiber hood. This is the souped up version. from the side. Also the wheel is hard plastic, there's no soft rubber. And the door from the passenger side do open. And the driver's side door does open. Actually, as you can see, the driver's seat a little different than the passenger seat, but this is a souped up version. So the driver's side also has the sport racing seat on it. So they have, you look at it, it's two different type of seat here. So let me close the door. And let's look at the side. The detail of this is pretty nice. Like I said, they don't have the license plate here. And the license plate in the back, and the Trueno is supposed to be on the back. It's not there. Other than that, this, because it's an AE86, I love it already. If you're an Initial D fan, these are the cars that you must have at your collection. You know, they're about $10 a piece, and you can find them in eBay. That's where I got them, and definitely well worth the money. And put them down. Actually, let's put them down this way so you can see the tofu sign. So, hope you guys like this. And if you want to buy them, definitely want to collect them. They're well worth to have them. And thanks for watching, guys.